Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, we are going to be learning how to make a lace closure or a lace frontal using the ventilating needle. Who's ready? Who's ready? All right, let's do it. So first thing first, we're going to be prepping the hair. So I'm going to be using a hair bundle for this process. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the hair. So I've already went ahead and cut a little bit out of the bundle. So right now I'm going ahead to cut the hair from the weft. Okay, so next I'm going to take my comb and comb out the little tiny hair that we're not going to be using because they're too short. So as you can see right here, I'm just going to take that and throw it away. Okay, so next you want to take the hair and fold it over. Hold on. Take a little bit of the hair and fold it over just like this. So you want to have one short end and one long end. So next you want to go ahead and create a loop. Hold on, just create a loop just like that. Okay, so to start you want to take your ventilating needle, pass it through the lace, okay, and hook 2 strands of hair. Next pass it through just like that. So next you want to take the ventilating needle and wrap it around the hair and then rotate it upside down just like this. So next pull it through the loop and just pull it all through. So we're doing the single knot method. Okay, and then pull it all the way through. So that is the single knot method. Again, pass the ventilating needle through the lace. So next hook 2 strands of hair just like that and pass it through. Okay, so next you want to take the ventilating needle and wrap it around the hair just like this. So next rotate the ventilating needle upside down, then pass it through the loop just like this. Again, take your ventilating needle, pass it through the lace. So next hook 2 strands of hair and pass it through the lace again. Okay, so next you want to take the ventilating needle, wrap it around the hair. So next flip it upside down. So next you want to pull it through the loop just like that. Okay, so I'm going to be posting another video showing you guys how to create a lace frontal or lace closure using the crochet hook. So you can see right here on one side I use the crochet hook and on the other side I use the ventilating needle. So in my next video I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly use the crochet hook to create a beautiful looking crochet closure or crochet frontal wig. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Turn on your notification so that way you won't miss out on the exciting video that is coming to you soon. All right, so we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today, and thank you everyone for watching.